Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to explore a very interesting business case for registering IGST only from some of the transaction. So the business case is all about the trading business who are importing some goods and then their freight management partner paying IGST to government on behalf, and then we receive only one single amount and we need to pay to that freight forwarder and freight management company, as well as we need to take reimbursement of that IGST from government. So this case is very much popular for Indian business entity. So you can see a copy of a standard real-time bill which I have received, and then we need to book this IGST reimbursement of cost as purely IGST without the base amount. So how to enter this bill? Let's check it up in Odoo. So what we do, first of all, I would like to explain the type of tax we need to introduce to book 100% tax IGST. So in my taxes, I have created one new tax, name it IGST only, and the tax computation I given as percentage tax included. And Indian tax type is GST, and on purchase it will be applicable. And in advance I have given included in price. So with this two setup, and then when I say 100% of amount should be considered as tax, it will create that impact. So this is the very simple logic we need to introduce, and then now we can give the account for that purchase side GST input credit book, and then tax grid also we have given. And then we can now check different type of event how to take into this particular tax consideration in vendor bill. So first of all, I will book a bill in the name of this particular partner in India, and then I will punch one after another service item line. So custom duty is nothing but my service line. So I'm paying custom duty and booking 58507. So 58507. Then I am booking this IGST reimbursable cost. So for that, I have created one product, and then with that product, I have given as a goods type, because in my tax report I want to make it as a importable goods, and then that's it, and purchase. So once it is done and I have set default tax is IGST only, here I will punch the price 131,866, 131,866. So now you can see total amount goes to 0, but in journal item you can see directly IGST has been booked at 131,866. Now I will create another line, SW surcharge. That is nothing but another service line item only, 5850, which doesn't attract any tax. Then interest on duty, that is 81. Okay. Now these two charges which I am paying, it will attract GST common purchase account. So 18% formal clearance. So I'm giving maybe formal clearance, and then 4500 is the amount, and normal 18% GST will be applicable. Another line will be disbursement fee, disbursement fees, and then amount is 3924.46, 3924.46, and 18% GST will be applicable. So here my total becomes 206,244.86. It is matching, and then when I go to journal item, now we can see this all are considered as IGST. Once I confirm this, it will book the IGST. And then when I go to my tax report, we can see a total IGST over here, where this amount along with other amount will be taken into consideration, and GSTR section applied is imported goods. And when I run my GSTR-3B report, I can see that amount in import of goods. So here when I audit, I can reach to that particular bill and carry that particular IGST amount. So this is the solution we need to work out. Now what happens if you directly book any bill with any partner without any product line, and then let's say you are booking at 10,000 and you use that IGST only. Okay, so here I don't have any product right now, no product is associated, and still I am booking, I want to take advantage of this IGST. So when I am booking this particular bill that is worth 10,000, and when I am running my tax report, it will show this particular audit report. And over here you can see the B2B regular IGST has been booked. So section is different because of the partner type, and there is no item. And GSTR-3B, you can see it will be part of this particular all other ITC account. Okay, so that's how Odoo will recognize IGST based on the product and based on the section it is having. So hope this will make clear to many people who are using Odoo and wanted to book only IGST and also recognize that IGST under certain sanction in our GST report in Odoo. This is the solution. If you have any more queries, reach out to us at techvaria.com or my YouTube or LinkedIn channel, and then we can help you, we can guide you, we can offer our support services to have such kind of tricky settings in Odoo. Thank you very much. Have a good day.